Major fail. I tried using my DSLR. I recorded an intro this morning. I just tried to record something now. None of the audio works. I don't know what's going on. It used to work with this mic. Now I guess this mic doesn't work. So here I am. I'm at this rest area. I'm super early for this delivery. The appointment says 9 p.m. I don't do appointment times. I just go, and when I get there and I tell them, yo, I got your stuff. Do you want it? If you don't want it, I'll wait. So that's what we're gonna try today. Usually it works out for me. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm willing to take that risk. It just sets me up for an opportunity to run more miles throughout the week. I drank a half a gallon of water already today, and I had to pee really bad. So I'm here at the rest area. I'm about to go do that. I filled up my water again. I'm gonna do a gallon, and we're gonna get back down the road. I'm gonna check the truck out real quick first, and check all the tires and everything. Look under the hood, make sure all my fluids are inside the engine, and then we're gonna go. Alright, that's it. Head on down the road now. Finish this out. Got 146 miles left to the destination. So it's pretty much right down the street. Yeah. That's it. We're at the shipper. I just got to wait to get unloaded. They're gonna call me here soon. I'm parked on the side. I'm gonna get unloaded, and then I'm gonna go find somewhere to park for the night, because I doubt I'll be getting anything right now. Probably have to wait till the morning. So there it is. Okay, new day, new load. We are headed to Brooklyn. I keep telling them I don't like New York. They keep sending me there. So maybe I should tell them I like it. Maybe they won't send me there. Either way, I'm here to Love's right now. I'm gonna go in here and take a shower, do something with this, and then I wanna clean this trailer out and get it ready for when I drop it off. Okay, getting caught up on some paperwork right now. After each load, I have to take the bill of lading. I got a trip sheet I got to fill out. I have to send in any receipts for anything that I may have had to purchase for the load. I'm going to send that all in to whoever's on the other side of this app right here. And after that, I'm going to go back there and I'm going to clean this trailer out. get fuel. Alright, we got the trailer. We're gonna head out now. We got 536 miles. Going to Brooklyn.